This BMore Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Chesapeake AIM.
Hey everyone, I am here at Chesapeake AIM in Anne Arundel County with Dr. Jinell Smithmyer. Hello, how you doing?
Wonderful. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you. Okay, and we're also here with one of her patients, Howard Robbins. How are you?
I'm doing great, thanks.
All right, well, it's good that we have you both here today. Now, Dr. Smithmyer, can you talk to us about the dangers of peripheral neuropathy?
Yes, absolutely. So with peripheral neuropathy, there's a lot of numbness in the feet, Sometimes there's pain, but often a lot of numbness. And with that comes trouble walking. You're shaky on the ground. You can't feel the floor under your feet. I can't even tell you how many people come in and they say, I went to step off the curb and that was it, kind of took them down. And this is a fear a lot of people have because, with a fall can come injuries like a broken hip, hospital stay, surgeries, inpatient care, rehab facilities. So definitely something most people are looking to avoid. And what we do here is we treat the numbness associated with peripheral neuropathy by actually helping the nerves regenerate so that the sensations come back in the feet. So you start walking a lot better, keeping your feet under you, less risk of a fall.
It's very important work. Okay, now Howard, how has Chesapeake AIM changed your life?
I started the treatment on July 1st of 2024, and I started to notice there was an improvement, less numbness, and they have a way of determining how numb it is with a test called the Toronto test.
What are some activities that you're able to do now as opposed to before?
Well, before I could do activity, even though it was numb, I wasn't feeling any problem, keeping my balance. But I wanted to break down the numbness where it wasn't that bad. And I knew that if I hadn't gone for the treatment, then I'd probably start to fall and lose my balance. And I said, okay, so I'm still in treatment. It's almost 2 years, 5 months short of 2 years, and I'm at a point where it's staying the same. It's not getting worse, and that's the goal. Is to reach a certain level and then keep it that way. And they've been really, really good with me.
You've been seeing the progress.
I've seen the progress for sure. Yeah, and it's like a family atmosphere in here. Everybody's friendly. They've been trained very well by Dr. Smithmyer to cater to their patients, and I'm really pleased with everything.
How can people reach you? How can our viewers get info from you guys?
Yes, so if you're interested in scheduling for yourself or a loved one, give us a call. It's 410-694-7217.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for sharing this. We appreciate it. And congrats to you and your progress.
Thank you very much.
All right. Till next time.